Today I'll be discussing echolocation in Odontocetes, which are toothed whales. A basic summary of echolocation is that dolphins and other Odontocetes send out sound waves, such as clicks and chirps, and these sound waves hit objects and then reverberate back to the dolphins, and they can interpret what these vibrations mean. And sound travels 4.5 times faster in water than it does on land. So the amount of time that it takes for the sounds to come back and reach the dolphin indicate the distance the object is from the dolphin. The vibrations can also indicate size, shape, direction, and speed, and they can also sense internal structures using echolocation, such as pregnant women, because dolphins have been known to identify pregnant women and approach them because they can sense the vibrations of the fetus. The anatomy of echolocation is that a bisonar signal generator is located behind the blowhole, and it initiates echolocation. Dorsal bursae, located between the melon and the skull, is a sound production complex in the nasal passages that produces the sound, and then the melon focuses and directs the sound to go out, and then the sound hits an object and bounces back, reaching the lower jaw, which receives the sound. The lower jaw is fat-filled with acoustic lipids, and the sound travels through the lower jaw into the middle ear and back towards the inner ear, and then up to the brain through auditory nerve passages. And the brain receives the sound waves as nerve impulses, which allows the dolphins to interpret what they mean and allow them to know the distance, direction, size, and shape of an object. Dolphins can hear frequencies from 0.2 kilohertz to 150 kilohertz, so they have a very wide range, and the higher the frequency indicates echolocation impulses, while lower frequencies are used to socialize. A major problem with echolocation, though, is that boats and other modern technology in the ocean produce loud sounds and vibrations that dolphins interpret, and it can be very confusing and disorienting to dolphins and other Odontocetes, and they can eventually lead to loss of hearing because they're very loud sounds that travel very quickly and can mess up the whole system.